guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on Mayraki's shampoo and conditioner. I recently was sent their Ultra Repairing and Weightless Moisture Shampoo and their Silky Smooth Protein Proactive Hair Treatment. It's kind of a mouthful, but I have used this twice and I'm going to let you know my thoughts. So a little bit about the product. These are both sulfate and paraben free and 100% vegan, and they're filled with a whole bunch of good stuff for your hair. This one has ginkgo biloba, aloe, and carnarium album rouge extract, and the hair treatment has collagen, ginkgo biloba, aloe, and macadamia extract. So these are all really good for your hair. So this particular line is their repair line, which Lord knows I need because blonde hair comes at a price. Unfortunately, my hair is damaged, so I try to find products that will help combat that. So I was really excited to give this a go. Like I said earlier, I tried this 2 different times and I was actually really impressed by it. So first off, it smells really nice. It's very fresh and lightweight, which I like. It wasn't heavy in my hair. I hate when shampoos and conditioners just sit in your hair and weigh it down, so when you get out, you feel like you still have conditioner in your hair. This was not the case. The conditioner is actually really lightweight, but very moisturizing. So my comb slid through my hair really easy. I have a big problem with tangles, so that was a huge plus. The cool thing about the conditioning repair treatment is you can use it multiple ways. So if you have really dry hair or damaged hair, which I'm definitely going to try this out, you can put it in your dry hair and leave it in for 20 to 30 minutes and then go rinse it out and wash your hair as normal, or you can use it as a regular conditioner or a deep conditioner. So it's kind of nice that you can do like 3 different things with this. So I've only tried it in the shower, so I'm going to definitely try it on my dry hair and see how it makes my hair feel. And then the shampoo got my hair clean. I didn't have to scrub too much, which is nice. So, and like I said, I don't feel any like residue left in my hair, which is a huge plus. And I didn't put any other styling treatments in my hair because I wanted to just solely use these and see how it was to do my normal styling. So I blow dried my hair and curled it as normal, and I was really impressed to see how smooth and soft it is. Usually I have to put a bunch of product in, and I want to say that it actually looks really nice for just using shampoo and conditioner. So overall, I am really excited about this, and I love that it's all natural ingredients because, you know, it's better to put good things in your body than bad. So I will leave a link in the description box where you can purchase this if you're interested in trying it. And that is it for this review. Thank you so much for Mayraki for sponsoring this video. I'm excited to continue to use this product and see how it changes my hair for the good. I will keep you guys updated, and like I said, I will leave everything in the description box where you can purchase it, how much it is, stuff like that. So as always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video.